Have you ever uploaded a YouTube video only to see 0 views for hours? You are not alone, and most new YouTubers struggle to get noticed, because when I first started, my videos disappeared in the YouTube abyss. But once I figured out how to optimize my uploads, my views shot up 500% in a month. So in this video, I reveal the critical steps to optimize your video uploads. So we'll cover crafting catchy titles, SEO tricks, and insider tips to boost your video's performance. So by the end, you'll have a step-by-step guide to transform your channel's growth. So if you want to start seeing real growth, stick with me. I'll show you how to upload the right way. Because did you know that 95% of videos struggle to reach 10,000 views? That's because uploading isn't just hitting that publish button. It's telling YouTube what your video is all about. Think of it like a job interview. You wouldn't want to show up unprepared, right? Because uploading without optimizing, it's like showing up in your pajamas. Because the YouTube algorithm matches viewers with content they love, but it needs your help to understand your video. So every choice you make during the upload either boosts your visibility or buries your content. And once I figured this out, my views went from barely 10 per video to hundreds and sometimes even thousands of views. So what are the choices that matter? First, mobile versus desktop uploads. While mobile content is fast and convenient, desktop gives you more control over your metadata and SEO. And then there is your thumbnail, because custom thumbnails are a game changer. They grab attention and increase clicks. While tags and descriptions are also key, and these small details boost your SEO and help your video reach your target audience. So each of these steps impacts your success. Let's start by choosing the best upload method, mobile or desktop, because your upload method affects your YouTube success. Mobile uploads are quick and great for vloggers on the go, while desktop offers more control over your settings and SEO. So here's a quick comparison. On mobile, just open the YouTube app, tap that upload button, choose your video from the library, add a title and description, and then tap the publish button. While on desktop, go to the YouTube Studio webpage, click on the upload button, select the video file, add your title, description, and tags. Then choose a custom thumbnail and set the visibility and monetization if they're available for your channel. And finally, hit that publish button. Now, studies show that desktop uploads perform better due to the advanced optimization features. So which one should you choose? Well, if you're a casual vlogger, mobile is fine. And for time-sensitive content, mobile is best. But if you're serious about growth, use desktop. And also you can mix both. Mobile for quick videos, desktop for your main content. But remember that consistency is key, and regular uploads are better than waiting for perfect setups. So now that you know the best way to upload, let's talk about what makes people click. Yes, your titles and your thumbnails, because videos with optimized titles and thumbnails can see a 50% increase in views. Your title should grab attention and set the expectation. And instead of how to make a cake, try 5 cake secrets pros don't want you to know. So numbers, questions, and power words make your titles pop. And now thumbnails. Do you ever click a video just because of the title? Well, most people do. So use contrasting colors, bold text, and engaging images. And when you're writing your descriptions, start with the hook. Then add details and keywords. And here's a simple structure for you so you can write an easy description. First, start with the hook sentence. Then explain your video as a summary. Write out the key points and maybe add your timestamps. Then you add a call to action with links to resources you mentioned in the video. Because descriptions add value and keep viewers engaged, which helps you boost your watch time. So your title, thumbnail, and description work together for that crucial first impression. And if you get them right, your views will climb. And now it's your turn. Test different title and thumbnail strategies. And also let me know in the comments which ones worked for you. Now, proper tagging and categorization can boost your views by another 50% because tags act as breadcrumbs for YouTube's algorithm. So use relevant tags based on what people search for, but don't spam unrelated tags because YouTube penalizes that. Then categories helps YouTube recommend your video to the right audience. Pick the most accurate one, and playlists are your secret weapon for watch time because by grouping videos, it will boost your engagement and keeps your viewers on your channel longer. And I found out this on my own channel because when I started using playlists, my watch time increased overnight. You can also use tools like TubeBuddy for tagging insights because optimizing these details increases your video's chances of success. So here's a challenge for you. Go back to your last few videos, update your tags and categories, and add each video to a playlist. Then watch your analytics for results. I know it takes time, but the payoff is totally worth it. So start optimizing today. And I know I covered a lot today, but uploading isn't just hitting that publish button. It's about giving your video the best chance to be seen. And once I optimized my uploads, my views jumped in just 1 month. And creators who master this can see a 50% increase in views. Now go make your mark on YouTube. And if you want to keep viewers watching, watch this video next. Because in this video, I share my best scripting tricks for YouTube success and you don't want to miss it. So remember that success on YouTube isn't just about great content. It's about smart uploads. So let's crush it together.